everyone, this is Brian from BAM Reacts. Today I am going to be checking out a live performance by Shinedown of the song A Symptom of Being Human. And this is a raw, local radio station acoustic version of it, so I am excited to see this. If you guys want to support the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell as well. Let's get into it. My all-time favorite singer is Brent Smith. And I already know his power and his vocals.
I can still remember me and this November rain, beautiful and strange. Always so inclined, coloring outside the lines. Yeah, you were never on time. You've always been slightly awkward, kinda weird, upside down and not all here. What's wrong with me and you? It's crystal clear. Sometimes I'm in a room where I don't belong, and the house is on fire and there's no alarm, and the walls are melting too. How about you? I've never been the favorite, thought I've seen it all, till I got my invitation to the lunatic ball, and my friends are coming too. How about you? Don't worry, it's all just a symptom of being human. Unpack all your baggage, hide it in the attic where you hope it disappears. This all seems so familiar, but it doesn't feel like home. It's just another unknown. You've always been slightly awkward, kinda weird, upside down and not all here. Right or wrong, it's all so crystal clear. Sometimes I'm in a room where I don't belong, and the house is on fire and there's no alarm, and the walls are melting too. How about you? I've never been the favorite, thought I've seen it all, till I got my invitation to the lunatic ball, and my friends are coming too. How about you? Don't worry, it's all just a symptom of being human.
We're all just passing through, passengers on a ship of fools. We're all just passing through, passengers on a ship of fools.
Sometimes I'm in a room where I don't belong, and the house is on fire and there's no alarm, and the walls are melting too. How about I've never been the favorite, thought I've seen it all, till I got my invitation to the lunatic ball, and my friends are coming too, on a ship of fools. Don't worry, it's all just a symptom of being human.
Alright guys, that was a Symptom of Being Human, live performance on a local radio station by Shinedown. Love the song. Absolutely love that performance. It again goes to show how great of a vocalist that Brent is. He's been my favorite vocalist for as long as I can remember. I got Sound of Madness right over there. To me, it's probably the best like rock album of all time. Hard rock album, whatever. But yeah, Brent Smith, his vocal range is absolutely phenomenal. But yeah, guys, I really enjoyed this. Really enjoyed this performance. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. I thank you for watching and have a good night.